Okay, we're looking at LG dishwasher, stainless steel, model number LDF7561ST. This one has the controls on the top. So you set your controls and you close it and start it and close it and starts up. Inside this one has 3 racks. The upper rack for your flatter items, of course, spoons and knives. The next rack here, a lot of the these are adjustable. They go left and right. They fall flat. This one adjusts. Also, the rack will adjust up and down for different height on the bottom. Same on the bottom. You get different settings you can do by lowering and bringing up those dish holders. And that's it.